Welcome back, Learning with the Passleys. I'm going to quickly show you how to convert metric units of length. Are you ready? Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload new content on our channel. So, get straight into the lesson. Let us get familiarized with these prefixes and their meaning. When we talk about kilo, we use K to represent kilo, and this is 1000. H represent hecto, and this is 100. DA stands for deca, and this is 10. D stands for deci, and this is 1/10. C stands for centi, and this is 1/100. M stands for milli, and this is 1/1000. And it's the same thing as 1000th with the TH on it. We're going to use the abbreviation King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So here is the abbreviation. So the K up here stands for King, the H, Henry, D, die, B, by, D, drinking, C, chocolate, M, milk. However, in real life, we know that the K represent kilo, H represent hecto, D stands for deca, B stands for base, D stands for deci, C stands for centi, M stands for milli. However, we are going to use King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk so that we can remember these letters and where they should go. We are converting a bigger unit to a smaller unit. You must multiply or move to the right, and when you are converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you must divide or move to the left. So where we have the B here is the base. This is where you can find meter, liter, and gram. It all depends on what you are measuring. If you were measuring volume, you will use liter. If you were measuring mass, you would use gram. And if you are measuring length, you must use meter. However, in this case, I am going to use meter. So where the base is, that's where my meter is. So the deca here is 10 times bigger than the meter. The hecto is 100 times bigger than the meter. And the kilo is 1000 times bigger than the meter. So this is telling us that in every 1 kilometer there is 1000 meters. And over here now we have the deci. Deci is 10 times smaller than a meter. Centi is 100 times smaller than a meter. And milli is 1000 times smaller than a meter. So this works just like the decimal system where we use place value, right? So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk is very easy to remember. So we're going to use that. So we're going to use King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk abbreviation to remember what these letters stand for. In reality, we know that the K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, D stands for deca, B stands for base, D stands for deci, C stands for centi, and M stands for milli. So if we are talking about meters, right, we should have milli, we can say millimeters, kilometers, centimeters, right? So we are going to do some examples so that you can get a better understanding about this. So let us try this example. This example, we have 25 centimeters and we want to convert this to millimeters. So we are going to convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Therefore, we must multiply or move to the right. So we have C represents centi, so we're going to move from C to M. So we're going to move one place to the right. Therefore, we can just add a 0 or multiply by 10. Therefore, we can say 25 times 10 equal 250. Therefore, our answer is 250. So this is our answer, 250 millimeters. 25 centimeters give us 250 millimeters. Let us try some more. Here we have 22.6 meter, and we are going to convert this to centimeter. Look at it. We are going to convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit, so we must move to the right or multiply. So I am going to move two places. It's 1, 2. So it's from B to D, D to C. So there's two movements. Therefore, we can multiply by 100. When we multiply by 100, we get 2,260 for our answer. Therefore, 22.6 meters equal to 2,260 centimeters. Let us do number 3. Here we have 51 kilometers and we are going to convert this to meters. We are going to convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Therefore, we must multiply or move to the right. So I'm going to start from K to M. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So since it is just 3 movements, we are going to multiply by 1,000, right? Or we can just add 3 zeros. So our answer is 51,000 meters. So 51 kilometers equal to 51,000 meters. This is our answer. Now I'm going to show you how to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Here we have 12 millimeters and we are going to convert this to centimeter. What do you notice? We have a smaller unit and we are going to convert a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Therefore, we must divide or move to the left. So we're going to start from milli, which is M, and then we are going to centi, which is C. So it's going to be one movement on the left. So we're going to divide. So we are going to divide by 10 because it's just one movement. So when we divide by 10, 12 by 10, we get 1.2. Therefore, our answer is 1.2. So 12 millimeters. Therefore, 12 millimeters equal to 1.2 meters. So this is our answer. Let us do number 5, and this is the final example. Here we have 5.1 centimeters, and we are going to convert this to meters, right? So we are going to convert a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Therefore, we must divide or move to the left, right? So since we are going to move from centimeters, I'm going to start from C to meters. So I have to move to the left. So it's going to be from C. So let us count. So it's going to be 1, 2. So we move 2 places to the left. Therefore, we must divide by 100. So it's going to be 5.1 divided by 100, and this is 0.051. Therefore, our answer is 0.051 meters. Alright, so this is our answer, and this brings us to the end